I want to do some upgrades to this bench. This time I'm going to use this board to make a drawer. So I'm going to use this handle as the pull. I will be doing half-blind dovetails. I've never done them before. So I've done full-blind dovetails and I've done tons of dovetails, but that was also made 2 years ago. So this is going to be a challenge, but we'll get through it. Definitely been a while, and I've already screwed it up. These rebates are supposed to be on the side pieces. I'm still going to go with it. Right there, 1/4 of an inch in, it's 1/4 inch wide. Up. I've already done the rebates on the wrong pieces. I'm going to do the tails together, which is something I don't like doing. I know some people like that, I don't. This is where that rebate, if I put it on these, I could just butt it up against the lip there. But I put them over there. Which I can't read. It's perfect fit. That's perfect. Cool. The panel, I didn't need to glue it up. That was a waste of time and glue, but practice, right? All practice. How else do you look at it? Go. Up. Perfect. Now, I didn't put a stop block on the back of it because the whole H frame that's in behind there that's holding up the whole bench will stop it. The dovetails, I mean, they're not great, but they actually turned out pretty good. So for not doing dovetails for almost 2 years or more, that's not bad. Though I would have liked to have put more in there. That's life. I did screw these up. You saw that. But that's okay. That's how you learn. If you want to do dovetails, just go out and do them because that's the only way you're going to learn. Here you go. And the good thing about this, if I really need it out of my way, it fits into my trough. So that, unfortunately, was just by chance. You know, but I'll take it. So take care. Catch you next time. This is Kiki. We've been watching him. He's a touch blind. So he walks into things. So he hasn't been out here. I don't need him walking into things. Right? Oh, hi. Hello. Ned, you gonna come over? Come here, bud. Come here. Come on. No, come all the way. Here, turn around. Oh, there we go. And here's the boy. There's both. Keeping each other company. Huh?
There's my handsome.